Hi everyone, this is Peter. Today I want to introduce is the PD Movie wireless follow focus system and also their new wire system. Okay, so in the market there is a lot of wireless follow focus system. So what is the advantage and then on to the PD Movie? First, okay, I like this because it is very simple. And what is simple is, okay, what is a wireless follow focus system do? It just do the focus. So for me, okay, I can using this system and then point the start and stop point, and then I do the marker, and then I do it every time, and then that is what I need. I don't really need to have maybe a lot of fancy stuff with a screen and then with a chart. I no need to just maybe, okay, to find maybe the particular lens, and then, okay, they can do all the maybe the markers, and then I don't really need this because, okay, that is, I just want something simple, easy to use. So this is maybe what I liked, maybe the PD Movie. And also you see the whole system is very maybe clean, neat. And then first, okay, I like this, especially this because, okay, it's actually built-in batteries. So you don't need to worry about, okay, oh yeah, the battery is run out and then I have to maybe charge it or something else. Okay, so it can use, once it's fully charged, and then it can run for 36 hours. And then the other thing is, you can actually using any USB stuff to charge it. So for example, your portable mobile phone battery device, and also maybe you can just connect it to your computer USB connector, and then you can charge it. It's very, very easy to find the way to charge it. And it's actually very long life too, 36 hours. And then, okay, so the other thing is very easy to set up. Okay, so for this RX, okay, so they are probably maybe the same as the most of the system. So you got okay, so now we got a C100, and then with the 70 to 200 EF lens, and we got two motor here. We're using a cable connected with the RX here. Okay, so everything is very simple, and you can see the whole RX is very tiny, and okay, same as the TX, there is nothing you can set. So just only an on-off button and also change channel. That's it. So for this one, it's the same. So also have an on-off button and also have a channel to just set the channels. And then, okay, for the other knob, which is the focus and also the zoom setting. So for example, now the first ring is actually the focus ring, okay, and the other is the zoom for this lens. But if you got maybe you can set to iris and then whatever you want. And okay, for me it's just very simple that, okay, if I want to set maybe from this point to this point, I just do a marker and then I just do every time very precisely. And how to set it up is also very simple. So for example, this is a zoom. I press the zoom. Okay, so they will do the start and end point. So that means, okay, my focus is always in the very precise positions. So for the focus, okay, it's still the same. So let me do it. Okay, so do the focus. Okay, so they find the infinity. Okay, and get the close up. So now I can get the focus. Like that, very easy. But you will find out, okay, why I have to maybe hold the lens, because everyone know that the AF lens, okay, they don't have the start and end point. So you have to help them to identify the start and end. But you will also ask, okay, so the start and end point, you cannot very precise to really sit on to exact point. So you might, okay, a little bit over the infinity or maybe a little bit over the close-up. So, okay, when you're using the full focus, and then it might cause some issues because the marker is always off the positions. So in these situations, the PD Movie can give you a very simple solutions. So for example, okay, you press the focus control 2 times, and then you start to find the end point, okay, like this. Okay, so once you hold it up, and then they will actually narrow down your focusing maybe range. So, okay, for the AF, okay, you can set to the infinity and also the close-up. If you're on the AF or on the MF lenses, you want to have like a very precise maybe focus in between, for example, like 1 to 2 meters, and then you can use that range and then to expand it into the whole range of your knob, which is actually much easier for you to focus, especially when you're using like maybe a wide open, for example, like maybe using maybe the 50 1.2 wide open, and then it's very, very hard to do maybe a focus. For these situations, you can use this function to do it. And very easy to set up, very easy to use, and then just using a few buttons, no need to really like maybe look at the menu, set everything, and then easy, simple. And but sometimes you don't really need to have like a wireless. For example, like okay, and I got like maybe a tripod, and then maybe I got the lens, and then I want to do maybe a very like maybe a nice steady pan, but at the same time I want to do maybe a very precise focusing. So for these situations, you can have like maybe a wire solutions. So this is the new PD Movie wire like focusing system. Okay, so the setup is also been very easy. For example, like now, okay, I pull one of the channel out from this, and then okay, I connect it to the wire system. Okay, so then I switch on the power here, because they are also have the internal batteries. So you no need to worry about, okay, yeah, where is my battery come from? And then, okay, so once I do this, because I haven't set it up, so it's just like maybe in not the right positions. So once I do the settings again, okay, so they are back to normal. So you never ever have like maybe a way over or maybe a way under the points. So it's very easy to set up, the same theories as the wireless follow focus system. And then, okay, for sure, the wire system is actually much cheaper than the wireless. But both of them, I think the price is very, very reasonable if you compare with a lot of like maybe the other competitors. So hopefully you will like it, and then I really like it for this product. And then if you want to know more about PD Movies wireless or wire follow focus system, please visit ANS website.